All right. So how you will be able to understand the forex heat map and the stock heat map and the forex factory in the morning. Whenever you want to do the analysis, first of all, come to the chart. Now this is gold. I'll just have a review, a quick review from all the time frame. I'll check the monthly. Be say I'm going to waste my time for the quick review. I will check my monthly to confirm if the monthly is still an uptrend. Okay, monthly is still the uptrend. So this week now is the last trading week in the month of August 2023. I will write that one down. Because if you still don't have a trading journal, then you never still ready for this business when you enter. So, you understand? So me, I always stay here with my jotter and my book. Most of the times I also see make use of my tab to the right what I they do down so that I don't go forget anything when I don't write down during my analysis. Then I will come back to the weekly. I will observe. Is weekly still bullish? Yes, it is. It's still bullish. Then I will come down to the daily time frame. Is daily bullish now or bearish? To me, this daily time frame is bullish now. Let me tell you how. Why? Because that is my own analysis anyway. Because here was where price break out from. Right? So here, you will say, here is the minor and here is the major. Anyway. But here was the major structure where price break below after you know this reversal pattern. This head and shoulder reversal pattern, right? It break here. This was the strongest support. Now when it break there, it break back in again. Then you will observe that it tested there that on Friday and they started rejecting the price. Market fee open on Sunday, you just use red, come back, come retest them, you come form double bottom there. If you go to lower time frame, you come form reversal pattern where was still a continuation pattern where was still continue the uptrend. Now you will go to say why you never see reversal pattern here now. Now based on say the trend never long or because it never clear for you. But market don't reverse. Me and one, I will explain that later. I will understand how I think to see this market now don't reverse from daily time frame. I just explain that small, but to go understand that better later. Now from the 4 hours, you observe that we already have the reversal pattern here, which we spotted out early last week, last Sunday. We observed the reversal. We have been riding it. We have been making money from it. So we already know that the trend is a bullish trend. In 4 hours already is an early reversal. Then I will check the 1 hour. The 1 hour as well is a very bullish trend. Here was the major. You understand? Just tested the major on Friday and it started going up. So let's see what will happen. So now I don't need to go further. I've established this chart as the bullish. Alright. So let me check in line with the forex heat map and the forex factory to trade on Monday. You understand? Now I will first of all open my forex factory to check if there's going to be news on Monday. Tomorrow is 27 and on Monday is 28, I guess. Monday is 28. So on Monday, no US news. Let me check Tuesday. On Tuesday, we have 3 major news. So now I want to do the analysis for Tuesday now, because on Tuesday now I will get news. Let me now show you what I will do. As I don't enter this forex heat map, I will check the first news. The first US news is around 2 p.m. Then the other 2. Now that 2 p.m. we have 2 news. So, because most of the times those 2 news, just that this one is high impact. Now this news this high impact fee Apple finish, another one cost it Apple. You can't carry the market because they go one direction. You first need to understand that part. I'll go explain everything. Just calm down. I just brush out first. Then now 3 o'clock, we have 2 high impact news. Then most of the times, this high impact news, if you go up, the other one happen again, come down. But you cannot decide. That is why you have to navigate and you need to check the details. You will see here is details. You must cross-check the details of those news where one happen. Then you open the first one. Now, what is the details? What will the details for here? The details, when are the details for here? So, is I want to check how the news say they do the call. You understand? To check if this one will call Apple, so if it go get strength or if it go get anything where make I just understand what if he play. You understand? I know say forecast there, but I make me too. I go see understand in line with my market structure. What I don't check for that from that chart. You can see that compare what they don't forecast for here. Now, this was the month of March. The month of March, the actual was 2.5%. Then the forecast 2.6. That means the forecast say if he high pass the previous one before this one was 4.6. You understand? Then the forecast say it will drop to 2.6%. Abi, then it call up when it call up the actual one call be 2.5. It no reach the 2.6, but still yet it drop because now just forecast to be. You understand? Then the month of April 2023. The month of April 2023, you see the previous 2.6. Then the forecast, they said is going to drop to 0.1%. Then the actual, the what it call Apple, now with this actual, what it call Apple, it drop to 0.4. Yes, the forecast was still right. Understand that part first. Then the month of May, the previous one where Apple, see the previous now April, after April now May. So April, then the month of May come because the previous, the month of May was 0.4%. Abi, the call forecast say it go up minus that is a 1.7%. Then the actual it go up true. It could be 1.1%. It no reach that 1.7. Remember, say this one are just forecast. So that is why you still need to update yourself with the chart itself. You understand? You still need to follow up with the chart because this forecast one will be checked from here. So now just forecast it be. Just that most of the time the forecast always do, but if you don't reach the number where they predict, you understand? Then you can see say the actual one will come up on 1.1. Then the month of June. Previous, which is the month of May, now 1.1. Then the forecast was, they say it will go up to 2.5%. It go up, but it not even reach anywhere. It go up to 1.7%. Understand? Then the month of July, they can predict that say the month of July now 1.7%. They can predict that say it will go up to 2.3%. Then it still be 1.7%. No high effect. Make I check that message where that person drop. But make I no distract this explanation. I no go do that one. Let's just focus on this. Tomorrow na Sunday, I dey go church on time. I just dey tell you now. So the numbers, no, they see the numbers. Then now where we call day now before the news approve on Tuesday. The previous one na 1.7. Now they don't forecast say no, we go check the forecast. We never check the forecast. You understand? We never check the forecast of the news. Now details we just go check history of the previous one. You understand? So now let's check the graph and the forecast of the news. Shebi una understand wetin I explain here? Make una answer me. Una understand wetin I explain here?
Yes.
Yes, understand.
Yes.
Okay. So let's check the forecast. And this one we go check now. Then the forecast now. You know say the previous one na 1.7. In case you no remember, see am. The month of July, the previous na 1.7%. You understand? You understand? Na 1.7. The actual, the one wey happen, na 1.7. So if you come here, you come see and say see the previous now, the one for okay 1.7% will be the month of July. So this one wey come happen now, they come focus, they come predict say e go drop come 1.5. That means the drop wey go drop, the down wey go come, na small down. Na small down, small drop, now e go drop. So the actual line never come because it never happen. I don't know if you understand. So now, you now whether understand wetin, let me now explain it, and as I'm explaining it, I want to answer that question where JFS asks. Minus 1.7%, minus 1.5%. If you minus out, you go see say this one, so the forecast now down, it go come now. If you be say this number high pass this one now up, very simple like that now. You understand? If you be say this forecast, this their prediction high pass the previous number, that means now up they say it go fit go. But now you can't see say this one na drop, that means it will drop like with 0.2% than this. You understand? So, you understand?
Share fit talk.
Talk.
I beg this minus 1.5. It is higher than minus 1.7. So that means the news is strong for. So the way they talk around the other way around, minus 1.5 is higher than minus 1.7.
I don't understand your question.
Do you get? No, I dey try make correction. I said minus 1.5 is higher than minus 1.7.
No,
Yes.
mathematical way.
You see, wait, make I explain something. Wait, make I explain something for you. This thing, make una no dey confuse una sef. Oh. You see this here, no carry English come Forex. Let me just know wetin this thing wetin mean. This number me itself, if I dey do my analysis, I no dey even dey look whether na minus dey there. Just that if I dey na the numbers, I will just okay, that means na down. If they forecast say e go come down. You understand? But if I say make I go ahead and do up, they say wetin I just explain for you now. In line with how me I don't take the use and since. Just tell you say they say this year it go come down more than this.
Okay.
Now mathematics now you dey do, so I know what you dey try to. You know say normal, mathematics minus 1.5 is higher than minus 1.7. No be say I know. You understand?
Okay.
In mathematics,
I just want to clarify.
Minus 1.5 is higher than minus 1.7.
Okay. All right, no wahala.
Then when you come check out like this finish, come go the graph, you get graph. You understand? Open the graph to check something there. See, the previous one na minus 1.7. Na everything na there they highlight so with this blue color. Now they see the previous one was minus 1.7. Now no dey talk again. Now they see am so.
Yes.
With the share boss.
I dey come. If you see say I come this line whenever they do it map forex factory analysis, you will see am say make I come check how it take dey drop since, how it take dey come down, dey come down, dey come down. Now you go observe say this one and their forecast is almost the same thing because there is no big difference. So na small move na e go just move. This very news wey we dey analyze now, e no go really get power when e just open. The second one, e fit be wetin go come affect the market. So that is why you need to know any news wey dey that time. If we have high impact news and the other one, the low impact news, high impact news fit no get strength, but once that other one come open, which is this HPI, so HPI, once e just open, you go see say now news happen, you get the alert 2 o'clock bam, you see say the push come do back, then you get another alert again bam, then the news come fire go down bra, or e go continue fire go up bra, e no go even retrace, something like that. Now they try explain. So you now you don gather small knowledge from the first news, then you come go to the second news. I go explain something now, they come. Now, the month of July was 0.7%. They call do forecast say goes up to 0.6%. Then the actual wey come happen, the market no just get strength at all. So now, person when wan ask me how you take dey know high impact news and low impact news, na just this color. When you see the red, you know say na high impact news e be. You understand? Then this yellow no too get strength like that. You understand? Sometimes the difference wey dey happen anytime wey dey take, you can know dey too high like that. You understand? When the issue cross check, now you see say the difference no dey always, just like you need to understand that previous actual, previous actual, previous actual. This was just a forecast. Make una understand wetin I mean say forecast. That is why we started this explanation from the chart. I want you to have an idea that this is just a forecast, no be juju, no be babalawo. So even if you get the forecast, you still need to do your chart analysis so that you no go make mistake. Just that your own chart analysis now will now be easier because you don see the forecast already, abi. Now when you dey do your chart analysis, you go dey see some the market structure, because wetin dey take dey do this forecast na price action, na price movement. Now dey take dey do this forecast, no be indicator, no be robot. All those people wey dey use indicator, dem no understand, dem no go fit understand wetin I dey explain. Because people wey dey do this forecast, so they are price action traders. The people wey be say they understand every number of the market, every number wey add or every number wey subtract from price at every particular time, they understand that and every wetin dem dey work with. Na so we today, because we are price action traders too. We trade the movement of we trade the candle formations, the formations of the candles. Now we dey analyze, take our trade. So that is why we have more advantage whenever we are cross-checking our forex factory news. Then after we don cross-check am, when you come go back to the chart, you go dey see before the time happen, when the news, before the news time happen, you know say the previous now was 0.7. Let's just rush and go to the prediction of this month, or when we were upon on Tuesday. Now the previous was 0.7, abi. So now the concept will draw, it will come to 0.2%. You understand? So now watch. As you don't understand that now, you know what you call do? If that day dey come because the two news now, this news and this news, na the same hour, the same minute, the same second, na e go take happen. They go release this one, they go release this one. So the thing fit just one fit this one na be the high impact news. This one fit shoot out, then the other one go just still run out. Before you know, you call the consolidate or you go face one direction. If be say this high impact news, e do well as analyzed, they will continue the movement. Now watch. Once you don get this information right with those numbers, you will go to your chart before the news happen. Maybe few minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes before the news, start your analysis. 15 minutes before the news, keep doing your analysis. Even if you dey trade, na that one go give you morale if you are to close your trade or you are to leave your trade wey you don already take. Now, why that? Once if you come start the analysis, you know say even when news wan happen, e go first form structure. Na news don dey make price dey break out from structure, just do one or two things, but e must respect the former structure wey e form, wey e run. Like if news wan run go up, if price wan push go up during news, e go just dey show sign in line with the price action strategy. E dey record. E go just dey show sign in line with the price action strategy, which na wetin we dey teach from this platform, that I'm talking about the market structure. Because the only and best thing that you need to equip yourself with is that market structure, which we will be teaching tomorrow. That is the only and the best information where you need to be equip yourself with on a daily basis. Even if market no dey on, even if you are not trading, oga, just make sure say you dey follow up with price, you dey follow up with the chart, you understand wetin dey happen. We will go there, we will go back to our chart now. We will go back to our chart. Now, we will call live here. We will come to your Forex heat map. Now, somebody will say Forex heat map, you no know how they take dey navigate through Forex heat map. The only thing wey still dey happen for this Forex heat map na two things. Is either the market dey buy or dey sell, or it can be say maybe e dey at the value of decision, which is consolidation. Now watch. The only colors that you are seeing here is green, red, then faint red, this will be like horse blood, and soldier green, army green. But now, wetin e mean? Once you come, this is Amazon. It means the Amazon chart now, e dey bullish. It means e dey buy. Na buy Amazon dey buy. Now that means e dey increase, e dey rise, e dey go up. Na this green color mean. This is Tesla. It means say for now, Tesla na uptrend before, but for now, e don dey lose that strength. If you no continue the uptrend, if you see the chart, na the chart na still dey here so. The chart now una dey see for here so. You know say na uptrend e dey, but for now, because they call dey drop, because they reduce strength, but e still dey uptrend o, because e fit green back. That is why you, even when you get this understanding, you still need to follow up with your market structure. You still need to follow up with your market structure analysis for better understanding. Because that time there for Forex Factory na Nigeria time or US time, me I no even see time when you dey talk o. Forex Factory we get time na the time where dey there, so you know time where dey there na time where go take happen now for Nigeria now. Around 2 you see am there na normal. You know they use your news before, you know they use news dey trade before. Once you open your news, your Forex Factory, if na 3 o'clock dey there, na 3 o'clock the news go take happen. Nigeria time. You understand?
Please do record, sir.
And the record.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So If you come see say the this thing red like this, it means like Meta now, Meta product. I'm talking about Facebook, Instagram, maybe this this Meta platform now. See am Meta. You see say in red finish. Now e just show say reversal dey here so before this down when I call it see for the edge of the chart. So if you actually go open am now, you go see reversal from there. You go see reversal from there when you want to reverse come down trade. So now that now wetin just dey happen for here, the red na say this thing dey lose value, that means e dey come down. Green means e dey rise, e dey go up. If e faint, if the red faint like this horse blood, when e be like horse blood, so e mean say the thing na down e dey come before, na down trend before, but for now e no dey get strength take continue the down again, and e fit reverse anytime. If the green faint like this Tesla, e show say na uptrend, but for now e don dey lose strength. E no dey fit no continue the up, e fit continue, e fit reverse properly. Reversal fit establish, then e go come turn red. Then now where gold? Person go come dey ask that question, but na gold we dey analyze, yes. You see say this thing there plenty. If you wan navigate through here now, you go watch tire, because the more you zoom, the more plenty one you go dey see, you understand? From if you come to industrial this thing now, once you zoom in this industrial, you will see all the news, different all the companies where they under that industry. So for you not to struggle yourself, for you not to suffer yourself, maybe you call dey look for one thing gold, or maybe US 30 or any of this, because you know say that therefore if you go to number 2 now, another page go open, you go see there. Me, I no dey like suffer myself in that manner. So wetin I dey always do, I will just come here. Then if you dey look for currency pair, see wetin you go do. You see US market heat map, S&P, Nasdaq, this those 30, you will see US 30 there. All those stock. Forex heat map. Forex heat map. You see Forex heat map. You click on. If you click on Forex heat map, here, now anything about currency pair, now you will see here. The whole wide world currency pair, you will find them here on this page. Even US Naira, USD, Nigerian Naira. If you see them now, that pair no dey trade. That one a very useless pair. If you navigate them now, you will see say you get wetin, you go see say no just get sense, no just know wetin they do. There was a day I saw it here, just that the currency pair too plenty. So me, I know they feel look all those things, they confuse me. Like they're too plenty. If you see Euro USD around here, in the next 1 minute, if it jump, you call day here. Okay, see Euro USD now. See Euro USD now be this. Now my cost of this. So and that Euro USD now, it shows say it dey bullish. Understand? Shows say it dey bullish. Now uptrend. That day when I first show na Euro USD na around here now for see am, but see where for see am. So me, I know they fit the waka for here. You understand? So now make I go just go search. I just come there, this search. I go just type wetin I want. Gold. See gold. Open now. So when you come open the gold, you no go come show you that color, because you no see am from that interface. You know say that interface now, after it show you that color, you need to click am, then you come open this page. where as we search gold, we are just open now. So you understand? So when you come here, this one I won't give you the information in details direct. It wants to give you information in details direct. Now make once you search anything, they'll give you the information in details. Without no be color, maybe you call it fear, you know, go understand, maybe you call it one or two things. So here now know what will happen today. Say yesterday or Friday, which is yesterday, this daily time frame for it map will show us strong buy. But today now the two don't neutral. That means buyers know they charge, sellers know they charge. Let's start it from the weekly. Now, the Forex heat map, it shows that the technical indicator said is a sell. Why the moving average said is a buy. No confuse yourself. Right hand that said buy 1. That means again 1. The daily said neutral. Then the 4 hours said buy. Now we have 3 buy, 1 sell. 1 hour said technical said neutral. Moving average said strong buy. So we have 1 strong buy, 3 buy, and 1 sell. 30 minutes said neutral and strong buy. We have 2 strong buy, 3 buys, and 1 sell. The 15 minutes said sell. That is just 3 sell, no strong sell. Now, from what we just gather from here now, the buyers are more than sellers in this market. No be say no go fit sell because we have some neutral there. From that neutral, if you frame user do any sell before the buy go come continue, you come go. If you call later go check out, you call say you don't right buy, or if you go check out tomorrow now or Monday now, if he can't show you sell based on that neutral, if he can't show you sell, they say they come down. Understand? So you need to understand those stuff. Now, more and more, you know what I just explained to you, so it's just the summary of what you need to know from this Forex heat map. And the summary of what you need to know from this heat map. Yeah, the sell should be a pullback, yeah, something like that. You understand? Before the continuation. But now, just gather the knowledge. Just know, say, as at that last 2 weeks, when we decided this market, we actually use this Forex heat map. Now, see that time, say, we are having more strong sell than strong buy. It was that day we have 3 strong sell and 1 strong buy. Because so now we have more buyers in this market now than sellers. You know, say most people swear they don't know this when they tell us so. So that is why we, after I get this information from here, once I reach my chart, it will be easier for me because now I already understand the market structure. Once I see any reversal pattern, I go very confident say market the reverse. I don't need to do, you understand what I try to talk. I don't need to do as if maybe 1 or 2 things. I don't check this thing, and in line with my analysis, I don't see double bottom. And the double bottom now, it don't go confirm, man. It don't break above. Now retest I know the way. Any sell where you they say now, just not say now retest. Once you retest finish, it go move. I don't know if you understand that part. You know, just finish like that. Now, let me now say something here before we round up. Bro, my sister, no confuse yourself for this market. You see, when it comes to Forex, no be biology, no be chemistry, no be mathematics, no be English studies. No carry English come here, no carry your certificate come Forex. You no go make am. You no go just make am. Just know say the only thing where they are put for here, the only thing where they are put for this game. What is the apple for here now?
see what happen na buying and
So the only thing wey dey happen for forex so na buy and selling. It's either you are buying or you are selling. Another thing no dey, because I see people every day, especially on that app called TikTok, they go just dey confuse themselves. I dey see there every day. Because why I dey try talk am so, you need to understand one thing. I see a lot of people on TikTok on a daily basis. They just dey deceive themselves with big English. They go dey, those people if you observe, they have more tools. The person na dem go get curvy computer, all those curve computer wey be say they go get like that kind 6 computer. They go their office professional standard office, they go set am up, but bro, they dey blow account on a regular. Na another money wey dey finance their forex. Na dem dey help forex traders, because then wetin dem dey do they go carry their certificate come, they go write everything, they go read to an extent they go come confuse themselves. Instead wey you suppose just keep am simple, because the only thing wey dey happen for this market na buy and sell. Baba, another thing wey us dey, you no need all those big English. Just understand the simple terms on when to buy and how to arrange your information to take know wetin you go do, the step wey you go make. You no need to confuse yourself with wetin I need to know, which book I need to go read again now. Wetin no, that is very bad. I don do am before. I know as e take affect me. I no go feel like for you. Na make I dey tell una. So though, even if I dey talk am like, and it is not a must that you do it at all. Just that if you do, it will help you. Because guys, now they hear me. I no dey understand wetin dey happen here o.
just put that GNFOREX Academy Pro. Na there you go enter. No be the recording you go enter.
So watch. I see some persons because wetin I dey wan do now, they wan end the video first. 39 minutes. I no wan make it pass like this. That's why. Another thing wey us